Need that DoorDash dough ASAP? I'm going to walk you through cashing out your hard-earned delivery money lickety-split. First, open your DoorDash Driver app. See that little money icon at the bottom. Tap Earnings to check your available balance. Alright, here's where the magic happens. You'll see your current balance right at the top below. You'll find the glorious Transfer to Bank button. Give that a tap. Now, DoorDash gives you a couple of options. Fast Pay, if you're eligible, lets you cash out instantly for a small fee, usually a couple of bucks. Weekly Transfer is your free option, where your earnings are automatically deposited into your bank account every week, typically on Mondays or Tuesdays depending on your bank. For Fast Pay, confirm your linked debit card. Remember, there is a small fee, and the money usually hits your account within minutes, but sometimes it can take up to 24 hours. If you chose Weekly Transfer, there isn't much to do here, but wait until your earnings automatically deposit within 23 business days. Once you've hit the Confirm Transfer button, you'll get a confirmation screen. Keep an eye on your bank account, and that sweet delivery cash will be there soon. Now go get those deliveries done, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to maximize your DoorDash earnings.